QNT Army, Quant Army, I am back with another video for you guys. Quant, majority of people on this channel, man, have a bag of Quant. Everybody in my stream, everybody in my comment section, yo, you got any Quant? I was like, no, I don't have any Quant. Why you got? The more I start researching this thing, I'm accumulating right now, man. I'm gonna get myself as much Quant as I can. Not financial advice, but I'm gonna get me a nice bag of Quant, man. Because when the banks of the world starts to implement QNT, it's gonna be a crazy time, and I'm not gonna miss the train. Quant Army, I ain't missing the train, man. I gotta hop on the train with y'all. Don't leave without me. Don't leave without me. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member. Let's dive in. The Bank of England and the BIS are the pinnacle of central banking and have chosen Quant for a reason. This is from Construction Trader. The reason is because Quant is tried and tested and proven to be the best of the best. Soon every central bank worldwide will follow suit. So they already got banks. The Bank of England, the BIS, pinnacle of central banking, and have chosen Quant. The Bank of England has chosen Quant, man. That's massive. Miles Brown, Quant, QNT, when almost every central bank, payment provider, and financial institutions on earth is talking about networks of networks and interoperability, you know you're investing in something special. And we got a video right here that we're gonna dive into, man. Let's take a look, man. This is BIS, right? This is another bank, man. The Bank of it. Let's go.
We at the BIS we like sometimes to think big, and to mention the unified ledger, yes, is a huge thing, and you know it's difficult to conceptualize in real life, but what we really are looking for is a network of networks. And that they should be interconnected.
The need of the hour in blockchain is interoperability, linking up blockchains. So FinTech Quant Network has launched what it calls a network of networks to solve the problem of interoperability across blockchain platforms for trade finance.
What the heck? They're having whole runs deep, man. And it's so awesome to see, you know, the editing and stuff like that. You know, the little memes in there in this video, man. Shout out to Miles Brown for the video. This is
interoperability across blockchain platforms.
I'm not fading Quant. I'm not.
A network of networks that's fit for a hyper-connected world.
Network of networks where you have a good financial infrastructure where the settlement of assets can take place.
Where the platform and the infrastructure,
which is a network of networks of blockchain, which is
the Bank of England, William Lovell, the head of future of technology.
Interesting product. Tech company unveils network of networks to solve blockchain's interoperability issue for trade. So this is a firm called Quant Network.
This is a firm called Quant Network, the Bank of England. What? Y'all didn't tell me that in the streets. Y'all tell me that in the comment section, man. What? Oh, this is crazy, man. I'm gonna start DCing in, man. All this Quant Army, man. Y'all got a gem on y'all hands with this, man.
That have launched a product called Overledger.
It's very ambitious. I think the unified ledger, we have mentioned it as a concept, but in a more working plane, it would be easier understood as a network of networks.
The Overledger network, man. I'm gonna have to make a video on the Overledger network, man, and dive deep into that, man.
Internet of money, internet of value. Eventually, it is going to be a network of networks.
Networks of networks is openly connected networks.
Network of networks.
Creating a network of networks.
We need to interoperate with each other.
Gilbert Verdi, CEO, man. Genius minds all over the world, man. Crazy.
Network of networks.
We need to interoperate with each other. So we need a network of networks.
It's a chain of chains. It's a network of networks. Yes.
Quant powers a hyper-connected world of interconnected networks. That's the future.
Quant.
Quant is leading the connectivity revolution.
Had to dive into the video, man. Like, what? 10 to 50 quant, 100 quant. 100 quant is the goal. 100 quant. Do I have enough time before the halving? I don't know. 100 quant is the goal, though. Not financial advice. Not telling y'all to, you know, obviously. I know it's tough out there. Inflation, all that stuff. So if you could afford 10 to 15 quant, that could be a nice come up, man. People are expecting a 10x in quant. You never know if it goes way past that. This next bull market is about to be the biggest we've ever seen, man. And also going into the end of the year as well. Let me show you guys an image right here. This September recently for Bitcoin was a positive returning month for Bitcoin. And we've not seen that in the last 7 years, right? 7 years, all negative returning months for September. So going into the end of the year, it's going to be bullish for the overall market as a whole. And Quant, it's going to be bullish for Quant as well, man. I'm telling you guys. Let's take a look at the markets, man. Right now, Bitcoin is 27,100, man. And we can see Quant right here sitting at $90, man. Already starting to coil up a bit. $1 billion in market cap, $10.3 million in 24-hour trade volume, 15 million supply. There's only going to be ever 14.8 million quant, 81% circulating, and this chart just speaks for itself, man. A lot of projects that went through the bull cycle, they're like super down for like 20x down, 30x down from their all-time highs. Quant is only like down like what, 3 to 4x from its all-time highs. Going into the next bull cycle, man, this project has been holding up extremely strong in my opinion, and that's why I'm like, yo, I can't miss the train, man. You know, you guys always mention it. I cannot miss out on Quant, man. Let's see right here from Construction Trader. Once again, the UK government knows what's what. The world's first true universal DLT interoperability platform oriented for enterprise design to seamlessly interconnect private and public systems, networks, and DLTs, QNT over ledger SaaS. The world's first DLT API gateway for enterprise. And if we take a look, the world's first true universal DLT interoperability platform oriented for enterprise designed to seamlessly interconnect private and public system networks and DLTs. Quant is a massive project, man. And the last thing we're going to take a look at from C Traders, once again, every single payment network rail, there's a will and a need to work with an API gateway. Quant, the overledger. Let's take a look at this image, man. As you guys can see, for credit cards, open banking, A2A, crypto, CBDCs, they need some way for them to connect with interoperability. So guess what Quant is? Quant is basically the railway system for all of these things to connect to each other. Push payments, money transfers, wallets like Google Pay, Apple Pay, super apps, right? Grab, WeChat, Swift, right? Man, I'm telling you guys, this project is massive, man. Especially the CBDCs part. That's going to be our future. Central bank digital currencies, you know, whether people push back on them or not, that's going to be our future. And Quant is going to be interoperable with the central bank digital currencies and tokenizing these assets. That's big. Quant holders, Quant army. Man, this is such a banger of a project. I'm going to start DCing into Quant, man. Let me get your thoughts on the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. I'll catch you guys in the next one.